Ever wondered why PCBA test systems seem to be stuck in a rut of inefficiency? Let's dive into this. Current PCBA test systems are plagued with a multitude of inefficiencies. High costs are a predominant concern. The expenditure on frequent maintenance and system upgrades can be a significant financial burden for factories. Next, we have frequent errors. These systems are often prone to mistakes due to human error or system limitations. Each error can cost factories not just financially but also in time and resources needed to rectify them. Then there's the issue of slow production rates. Traditional PCBA test systems often have a low throughput, leading to slower production times. This can have a downstream effect, delaying product delivery and potentially causing dissatisfaction among clients. These inefficiencies combine, leading to significant losses for factories in terms of time, money, and resources. But what if there was a way to overcome these inefficiencies? Imagine a traditional factory, bustling with activity, but plagued with inefficiencies. Picture this. Workers are manually inputting data into systems, resulting in errors and time delays. Supervisors are constantly present on the factory floor, trying to keep an eye on every single operation. Unfortunately, they often find it challenging to anticipate and rectify errors before they occur, leading to costly production hiccups. This typical factory scene is a breeding ground for inefficiencies. The manual nature of tasks, the constant need for supervision, and the inability to predict and prevent errors all contribute to a less than optimal workflow. These issues do not only slow down production, but also impact the overall productivity and efficiency of the factory. In the face of these challenges, one can't help but wonder about the potential for improvement. Imagine if these tasks could be automated and errors predicted before they occur. But what if there was a way to streamline this process and make it more efficient? Now picture a smart factory powered by AI. This is not just a factory, it's a